watermelon sugar. Watermelon sugar. Watermelon sugar.
Hello lovely, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are doing another wig review. If you are interested in the details of this gorgeous wig that I am wearing, keep watching. A huge thank you to Unice Wigs for sponsoring this video. All right, so let's get into this packaging though. Look how beautiful. Absolutely lovely. So along with the wig, they also sent over a few extra goodies. So we got a bonnet, a pair of lashes, a elastic band to melt down your lace, of course a wig cap, and a really cute makeup brush. And I thought that was just so nice and so cute. So this is the gorgeous wig. It comes, yes, jet black. I guess it's a natural 1B color. And you can see this gorgeous wave, but we are working with a V Part wig. And this is the first one I've ever tried. I'm really excited. The cap construction is very nice. We have our clips at the top, and this is how you will basically anchor on the V part around your leave out. You get your combs, 2 on the side, and then you also get 1 comb in the back at the nape. And what's also nice is they also included this band here, which is really nice. I end up not using this band only because I feel like I didn't need it. But you definitely have a way to definitely keep it on because this cap is big head friendly. If you have a smaller head, you will need extra security to make sure the cap stays on and in place. So I thought that was really cool. And of course you get your adjustable straps in the back as well. This unit is really nice. The lace itself is a dark lace. It's not a transparent or HD lace, but it's okay because it'll be hidden anyway by your leave out. That is the side of the unit. And we're gonna color this unit, but I just want you to see the back of this. Look at this. That is gorgeous. It is very, very well constructed, so there's no lumps. You don't see the tracks or anything. And then that is the curl pattern. Not tangly, there's no smell. This hair is beautiful. So I'm really, really excited to color it so we can get this lovely unit installed. So the way I end up doing this coloring process is a quick little bleach bath. It's really, really easy to do. All you're gonna need is some 40 developer, the cream version, as well as the bleaching powder. I use 2 packs. And basically I'm gonna just fill up this little container, just enough to where the water is over the unit. You don't wanna put too much water because then you'll dilute your solution. So now I'm adding the bleaching powder, both packs, and I'm also going to add the number 40 developer. So I'll give this bleach bath just a little bit of a mixy, and now I'm just going to put the unit in and make sure it is into our bleach bath. And now I'm going to cover this, and we're gonna let this sit for about 2.5 hours. I like to do a slow coloring process. That way the hair doesn't break off and shed and get brassy and stringy. So that's what it looks like. And now we're gonna cover it and come back in about 2.5 hours. So remember where we started, our lovely unit And so that's what our bleach bath was able to do, just with hot water, really, really hot water, 2 packs of bleaching powder, number 40 developer, and wait about 2.5 hours, shampoo it out. And at that point, the hair was still a little bit damp, but we're gonna go into the installation. I just braided my hair down and left a leave out down the middle. And you're gonna wanna anchor the clips on right around your leave out. I just made sure to line the back part and then line up the front before I clipped everything in. So now I'm just going in and sticking in my little clips. Look at that already. That is gorgeous, and the curl pattern is so nice. I was going to keep this unit in the curly state and just wet my hair like wash and go style and kind of just blend it. But I was like, let me see what this looks like straightened out. So I'm going to show you how I achieved the straight blowout look. But now we're just going to go on the other side and do the same thing and secure the clips. You also want to make sure you secure the combs on each side. I left a little bit of hair out along my edges as well as a leave out, just a little bit. I did not end up using the extra adjustable strap that was inside. I just took that piece out. I don't feel like I need it. And that's how it looks in its natural curly state. Look how gorgeous she is. Alright, so I've blowed out all of the hair. now I'm gonna go through and straighten everything. And at this point, the left side has already been straightened out. And look how nice and smooth it is. Oh my gosh. And it didn't take that many passes. It's like 1 or 2 passes and you're good. That was just 1 pass. So I'm just going to continue to straighten it. And yeah, I want to say this is probably the most versatile wig I own at this point. I could wear it curly, wash and go style, or we can straighten it. Yeah, I'm really happy. I really don't have anything bad to say about this unit. It colored really nicely. I don't know if it holds a curl. Maybe I'll try that next, see if it holds like some loose curls, but I'm happy. I keep looking up, you guys. I was watching one of the girls on YouTube as I was doing this video, so excuse my wandering eyes. But watch how this blends. Look. And it's so flat, girl. I am living for this V Part unit from Unice. You need it. You need it.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. And shawty, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of the admirers that call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I'm not alone.
Thank you so much for watching this wig review. I hope you enjoyed it. All the links will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.